investors looking to place a bet on a solid reopening stock could very well wind up getting lucky with casino operator MGM.
Las Vegas, Nevada, a playground of the Hollywood stars.
The Vegas-based operator of iconic properties like the Bellagio, Mandalay Bay, and New York, saw a 42% gain last year, leading some investors to think that the time was right to cash out. But my colleagues at Barrons believe MGM may have a few more cards up its sleeve to extend its winning streak into 2022.
MGM Resorts International is a very strong play on Las Vegas. They've definitely enjoyed a recovery there starting last year, driven by domestic leisure travelers. That's really propped up their numbers. In the fourth quarter of 21, they ended up with revenue of $3 billion, which was about double it was a year earlier. So that's definitely a good sign of improvement there.
And MGM's properties outside Vegas have also been performing well. Its portfolio of regional casinos in places like Atlantic City and the DC area did well in the pandemic because people could drive to them rather than having to fly. In addition, MGM has recently been repositioning itself as an operator of casinos rather than an owner.
A big part of the MGM playbook has been to move away from owning properties in Las Vegas and elsewhere to becoming an operator of properties. They've seen this as a way that's more efficient in terms of allocating their capital. A key example of this occurred in the summer of 2021 when MGM agreed to sell MGM Growth Properties, that's a real estate investment trust in which they held a majority stake, to Vici Properties, another real estate investment trust. And it just enables them to have more flexibility to make deals and to allocate capital. And at the end of 2021, their cash load hoard stood at about $5 billion. So they have plenty of flexibility going forward.
One development that may turn out to be a big factor in MGM's growth is its digital business, BetMGM, which offers online gaming and sports betting.
On the famous strip in downtown Las Vegas, where they know a star when they see one, there's a new attraction in town.
Some analysts anticipate that the joint venture with Barrons and Tain will become profitable as soon as 2023.
It's a really important marketing tool. It's a way for them to get more people into their land-based casinos in Vegas and elsewhere. It's definitely something that it's not profitable yet, but analysts expect it to become profitable in the next year or two. And one analyst I spoke to said that he didn't think the market was giving much credit to the upside of BetMGM. So in analyzing the stock, that's one thing you have to keep in mind.
Add to that the fact that MGM may well increase the quarterly dividend that it slashed during the pandemic, and it looks like MGM may be able to provide investors with a winning hand.